Welcome back to another quick Ryobi drill tutorial, and in this one I'm going to show you how to attach a hole saw to a Ryobi drill. So we have a hole saw here and we have this attachment. Now you may have been wondering how to actually attach this to your Ryobi drill. Now it's not as hard as you think. You just need this part here, and this nut actually comes off. So screw the nut off, then let's put the nut down here. Now we need to put this drill part into the hole saw. It should find a place and seat correctly. If you look from the back, might be better. There we go, see how it fits in through that hole. So you want it to pop through the actual hole saw like that. So you want it popping through like that. Once we have it on like this, you want to take your nut, fasten it up, make sure it's nice and tight and there's no wobble. Do wear some safety gloves, it'll save you getting cut on the hole saw. Tighten it up. Now enter it into your chuck. Make sure you get it nice and square. Once you feel it tight, give it one final twist and you successfully added a hole saw to your Ryobi drill. Make sure it's running through. So hopefully that helps you out how to add a hole saw to a Ryobi drill. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.